green light. Go easy, go. That's sweet and low. Position that I do that.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hey babes, welcome back or welcome to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. You know why we're here, okay? We're here for another quick, affordable DIY tutorial, honey. And I'm a ginger babe all summer and beyond, so I'm back with another ginger bae, and this is literally a quick wave wig. I know I didn't say that right. Quickweave wig tutorial that I'm just showing you guys. I don't really like to say tutorial because half the time I don't really know what I be doing, but I know what I'm doing at the same time. Yeah, as you can see from the braids in the front. So we just gonna hop straight into it. What I'm doing right now is just braiding my hair down. I separated my leave out, so I have along my perimeter in the front, and then of course the middle. I'm going for a middle part today, and then I went ahead and braided my hair down. Now again, this is a quick weave wig, so we don't have to have the super flattest foundation, but you just want to make sure that everything is super sleek and chic and laid down flat. Okay, so don't mind my little trash bag. I know y'all see my face. We're going to, that's just to protect the glue from getting on our hair. Again, this is a quick weave wig, so I put the trash bag to protect our natural hair, and then I put my wig cap on that I got from my local beauty supply store, and then I kind of outlined my leave out with the glue. Now we're going to just literally add our tracks as if it's a quick weave. Okay, literally nothing is different. If you know how to do quick weaves, it's very simple, very easy. The way that you lay your tracks is going to be based on the way that you want your hair to lay. I wanted my hair to kind of fall a little bit in front of my face, not too much, but a little bit. So I'm gonna, as you guys will see as the video goes on, the tracks that I'm laying toward the front are gonna begin like this one to curve a bit. Okay, so I did kind of go a little short on that curve, but don't mind me, we're gonna fix it. Don't you worry, babe. I got everything planned for y'all. Okay, I am the queen of not wanting to cut my tracks. In a lot of quick weave tutorials, they always say to cut the tracks. If there is a way where you don't have to cut your tracks, I'm gonna find it, because it just helps me, like with the shedding. If I want to do it in the sew-in, I don't have a bunch of little pieces that I cut for a quick weave. So this is me flipping my tracks over, and I'm using my scissors because one, that blow dryer was hot, and two, just because I wanted to make sure that the flip was flat. So you guys see the flip tracks over in the front, and then once I get to where the back of my little horseshoe U shape, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some smaller pieces that I already had cut. Now I'm taking my blow dryer and I'm pressing those like flipped pieces down. The blow dryer is the best thing that can happen for us. Make sure that your tracks are all the way glued down before you take off your wig, because if not, you're gonna have a mess of a wig. So here it is, a quick weave wig. I don't know about you babes, but sitting in a chair getting a sew-in for hours on hours, we alleviating all that. Okay, like this is for the girls who don't have that much time. They need something quick, they need something easy, something to throw in. Obviously you can literally use this multiple times.
Literally just like a minute ago, and we're doing her hair. So right now, as you guys can see, I got the top done. We're just almost finished here. Nice curl, brown, you know it.
Don't pull too
Okay.
much. Girl, I get that thing and then call it rainstorm. Yeah, this is deep, but I go deeper. You can lose yourself. Like, just keep us.
Honestly, it wouldn't be a video of mine unless there were a bunch of people that popped in and out. So, you know, welcome to my life. Anywho, back into this hair install. So now what I'm doing, just because I want to have it on for a few weeks, I'm just going to sew the perimeter down around the wig. Now, this is completely optional. You can also use bobby pins. You can also use clips and attach them on. Honestly, you can do all of those things, but I'm a girl who, I play basketball, I work out a lot. I don't have time for it to be slipping, dipping, and tripping, okay? That's not what we're doing. So I'm literally just sewing around, ignore the dancer in the background, and I'm going to sew along my perimeter as well. as well as the back of my head. So once I finish doing that, I'm going to use my Infinity by Conair flat iron, and I'm just going to kind of press it out. I didn't do a super huge job, but I did do what I need to do. And of course I used some heat protectant, which was a Chi. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of this heat protectant, if I'm being honest. I normally like the Silk Elements heat protectant, but this was all I had, so this is what I had to use. Once I finish flat ironing my weave, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my natural hair. That's where you want to douse, okay? You want to douse your hair in the heat protectant. But this is it, honey. That's it. A 10-minute sew-in. We love to see it. Quickweave wig on your head, 20 minutes. That's all you need. Let me know how you guys think in the comment section below. Comment down any comments, questions, or concerns, and we gonna head out this thing. Ciao.
I'll walk it out.
Slay, period, poo.
I need to see that iPad.
She slayed that guy. She slayed that wig down to the scalp.
You can see my tracks?
Yeah, I can actually from right here. You see it?
Oh.